Sounds of the future. Music, the grace of a force that touches every soul. Was it just sounds of noise, raiment of a bachelor? Waves of feeling fill the room, tone engine, breaking boom, lifting bodies, bringing tears. Music cannon, fire appears, some music as a tool. But beneath its all open eyes, show the truth, so fight the lies. Bring about equals minds, just spreading peace. Love beauty, just as much an honest duty. Music take many forms, shapes, never sounds, someone will say. So with this in heart, let's undo all these boundaries. Take part, unite, direct actions, music formula, distraction. Straight up through, chords and notes, sing new song, TV song. Substitute the cooperation, leaving the world a better one. Matter it, down and out, music gives you a place to shout. Run hard, learn to play yourself. Raise your spirits, let's go for help. I for one will lift to it, make whatever sounds I see fit. Music's a form of expression, maybe lead to a world progression.